Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about different types of siding. Now, actually, when we look at this house, we've got brick, in this case, which is considered a siding because this is actually a brick veneer, which means you have the building structure, all your interior walls, they're either plywood sheathed or foam sheathed, then there's an air space, and then the brick is put on the outside. So this is actually considered a form of siding when it is a brick veneer versus the brick being in the main construction of the home. Then you have your accent places where you have built out areas like this. You'll see in this case vinyl siding. Now something that looks very similar to this would be a lap siding, which can be either a cement impregnated board or a masonite type of board, or even hardwoods or woods such as redwood or cedar. And typically when you get into different sidings like that, your vinyl siding like this is going to be your most basic siding, which as far as looking from a value perspective of your home, having something like vinyl siding is going to have your lowest value, where having hardwood or cedar or redwood siding is going to actually create the most value in your home. So if you're looking to add some value to your home, that might be one thing to consider. If you have a lot of vinyl siding or vinyl trim in those areas, it might be a good idea to upgrade that either to a cement board or masonite board or to some kind of a natural wood siding. You can get a really nice look, but also it'll add a lot of value to your home. So I'm Tim Gibson talking about some different types of siding.